A 72-year-old man stands completely still. No equipment, no movement, just holding a position. 5 minutes pass. His entire body shakes with tension. His muscles burn. His mind wants to quit, but he holds. When he finally releases, something remarkable has happened. His strength increased. His muscle activated. His nervous system rewired. No barbell, no dumbbells, no gym, just isometric tension. And here's what's wild. Most people think strength requires movement. The Shaolin proved the opposite. Isometric holds build more complete strength than anything else because they force your nervous system to generate maximum force without the mechanical advantage momentum provides. At 50 and beyond, this becomes even more powerful because isometric training builds tendon strength and joint stability that moving weight sometimes misses. By the end of this video, you'll have 6 Shaolin isometric holds that rebuild insane strength after 50 without touching a single dumbbell. Let's talk about why isometric training is so powerful for older bodies. The first advantage is zero impact. There's no eccentric loading that damages joints, no repetitive impact stress, no sudden acceleration that strains tissues. You're simply creating tension under complete control. This makes isometric training safer for aging bodies while remaining extraordinarily effective at building strength. Your joints stay healthy. Your connective tissues strengthen. Your muscles grow. Then there's the nervous system advantage. When you hold a position under maximum tension, your nervous system recruits an extremely high percentage of muscle fibers simultaneously. Research shows isometric contractions can activate nearly 100% of available muscle fibers. Compare that to dynamic movements that typically recruit 60 to 80%. You're getting more complete muscle activation from a single static hold than from multiple reps of dynamic movement. The tendon strengthening advantage is another one. Tendons adapt slowly. Muscles can grow quickly, but tendons need sustained tension under load to strengthen. Isometric holds provide exactly that. Sustained tension. No movement, no momentum hiding weakness. Your tendons adapt. Your joints become more stable. Your body becomes more resilient. And finally, there's the time efficiency advantage. A single 5-minute isometric hold can accomplish what takes most people 30 minutes of dynamic training. You're generating maximum muscular and nervous system stimulus with minimal time investment. At 50 and beyond, efficiency becomes precious. Every conventional approach to training after 50 fails because it either reduces intensity too much to actually build strength, or it causes joint damage through excessive impact. The Shaolin isometric method does neither. Maximum stimulus, minimum damage, complete safety. Here's the mechanism. When you hold an isometric position under high tension, your nervous system doesn't just recruit muscle fibers. It actually increases the efficiency of those muscle fibers. Your motor units fire in more coordinated patterns. Your nervous system learns to generate force more efficiently. Over weeks and months, your nervous system becomes extraordinarily skilled at producing force. That nervous system adaptation is what creates strength. The muscle growth follows as a consequence. Research on isometric training in older adults consistently shows that static holds produce significant strength gains comparable to dynamic training while reducing injury risk. Combined with adequate protein and sleep, isometric training builds muscle in people well into their 70s and 80s. Age is not a barrier. Proper stimulus is everything. Here's the first hold, the wall sit. Stand with your back against a wall. Step your feet out about 2 feet. Slide down until your knees are at 90 degrees. Your back stays against the wall. Your arms can be crossed or extended. Hold this position. At first, 30 seconds feels impossible. Your legs will burn intensely. Your mind will demand you stop. Hold anyway. When 30 seconds becomes easy, extend to 45, then 60, then 90. Advanced practitioners hold this for 5 minutes or more, but start small. 30 seconds is plenty. Perform this 3 times per week. Each session, try to add 5 to 10 seconds. Your entire lower body develops under isometric tension. Your quads, glutes, and inner thighs all fire simultaneously. No weights necessary. Pure tension equals pure strength. The second hold is the plank. Get into a push-up position, but rest on your forearms. Elbows under shoulders. Body in a straight line from head to heels. Squeeze everything. Glutes, core, shoulders, legs. Create maximum total body tension. Hold this position. Most people significantly underestimate how difficult this feels when you're actually bracing correctly. Not just passively sagging, actually creating tension. Start with 30 seconds. Perform 3 sets. Rest 60 seconds between sets. Your entire core develops under maximum tension. Your shoulders stabilize. Your entire body learns to brace under load. This single hold replaces an entire core workout. The third hold is the dead hang. Find a pull-up bar, grip it, hang completely. Your feet leave the floor. Simply hold. Your grip will likely give out first. That's fine. Your forearms, hands, shoulders, and back are all building strength simultaneously. The dead hang also decompresses your spine. Your shoulders decompress. Your posture improves. Start with whatever duration you can manage. Even 10 seconds is fine. Add 5 seconds every week. Your grip becomes extraordinarily strong. Your back develops. Your shoulder health improves dramatically. The fourth hold is the farmer carry. Pick up heavy dumbbells or kettlebells. If you have no dumbbells, carry heavy water jugs, buckets, or bags of sand. Hold them at your sides. Walk. That's it. Walk for 30 to 60 seconds. Rest. Repeat 3 times. Your grip strengthens tremendously. Your core stabilizes the weight. Your postural muscles engage. Your entire body works together. This single hold builds more real-world strength than almost anything else. Grip strength is one of the best predictors of longevity. Farmer carries build grip strength better than anything. The fifth hold is the isometric squat hold. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Lower into a deep squat, but stop at 90 degrees. Hold this position. Your thighs should be parallel to the ground. Your back stays upright. Your chest remains elevated. Hold without moving. This challenges your lower body under maximum tension in the exact position most people sit in daily. Your body learns to generate force from this position. Your knees become stronger. Your hips open. Your lower back strengthens. Start with 30 seconds. Build toward 2 minutes. Perform twice per week. The sixth hold is the wall push isometric. Stand facing a wall. Place your palms against it at chest height. Push as hard as you can against the wall. Push like you're trying to move it. Your entire upper body fires. Your chest, shoulders, triceps, forearms, core, and even your legs all generate force against that immovable wall. Hold maximum pressure for 15 to 20 seconds. Rest. Repeat for 5 total sets. Your upper body develops extraordinary strength. No weights needed. Pure tension equals pure strength. Here's how to structure your complete isometric protocol. Perform all 6 holds twice per week. Pick 2 days separated by at least 1 day of rest. Monday and Thursday works perfectly. On your training day, perform the wall sit for 1 set, plank for 3 sets, dead hang for 3 sets, farmer carry for 3 rounds, isometric squat hold for 2 sets, wall push isometric for 5 sets. That's your complete session. 30 to 40 minutes. Everything trained, every system developed. Track your progression. Every week, try to hold slightly longer or create more tension. Write down your times. By week 2, you'll notice increased strength. By week 4, visible strength improvements. By week 8, your body will feel noticeably stronger. By week 16, your strength will have increased dramatically. Not because isometric training is magic, because consistent stimulus with complete recovery creates inevitable adaptation. Here's the critical principle. Age does not prevent strength development. Your body remains capable at 50, 60, 70, and beyond. You simply need appropriate stimulus and complete recovery. Isometric training provides the stimulus. No equipment, no impact, no joint damage, just pure tension creating pure strength. Nutrition matters. Eat adequate protein. 1 gram per pound of body weight becomes more critical after 50. Your body uses protein less efficiently. You need more of it to build muscle. Eat adequate carbohydrates for energy and recovery. Eat adequate fat for hormonal health. Simple nutrition, consistent, that's all you need. Sleep is mandatory. 8 to 9 hours every single night. Sleep is where your muscles grow. Sleep is where your nervous system recovers. Sleep is where your hormones optimize. Skip sleep and nothing else matters. Train hard, sleep well. That's the complete formula. If you're committing to isometric training after 50, drop a comment saying isometric strength and let me build a community of people who understand that age is not a barrier to building insane strength. And if you want detailed form coaching for each hold, how to progress safely, nutrition guidance for older athletes, or how to combine isometric holds with other training methods, hit subscribe and turn on notifications because we're building the most complete isometric strength training community on the internet. People who understand that no dumbbells are needed when you understand tension. The Shaolin monks discovered that isometric training builds more complete strength than dynamic movement alone. Wall sits for lower body development, planks for core strength, dead hangs for grip and back, farmer carries for real-world capability, isometric squat holds for leg strength, wall push isometrics for upper body development. That's the entire system. That's all you need. The decision is simple. Accept age-related weakness or commit to isometric training and build insane strength. The commitment is sustainable. 2 training days per week, 30 to 40 minutes per session. That's it. The results are inevitable. From wherever your strength is now to insane strength after 50. From weak to powerful. From declining to developing. Now stand against that wall, hold your first wall sit, and I'll see you in the next video.